Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a pot of tulips. So let's get started. To draw these cute flowers, let's first start by drawing this U at an angle. So I'm going to start right here and we're just going to draw this very round bottom of a U. And definitely turn your body or the paper if you need to, so that you can get a better angle to draw it. So I'm just going to go up, so at this angle, so something like that. And then I'm going to go ahead, come to the top, and we're just going to draw 3 curves. So let's bring this in, then approximately say about right here, draw 1, 2, and then another one. Maybe the center one could be a little bit bigger, but it doesn't matter. There, so something like that. And then we're going to draw another one right next to it, and this one I'm going to make it a little bit higher. So let's say about right here, I'm going to turn my body a little bit and go ahead and do the same thing. Just have fun with this. So you just want to draw these 2 cute, very simple tulips, hopefully. So I have another bottom of a U like that, and then once again we're going to go ahead and draw 3 curves. So 1 smaller, then a bigger one, and then a smaller one. There. Just round it off a little bit more. And that's the hardest part. Okay, so then from there we're going to draw the stem. So find your center. So let's say about right here and here. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring the stem down. And we don't want it too long because I don't have much vertical space. So let's say about right there, and I'm going to thicken it up so it's just easier for me to color. And then same thing here. Find your center about right there and draw a curve coming down. There, together. And then let's see here, then we can draw some leaves. So I'm going to come right next to my stem and just draw this soft leaf. Same thing over here, maybe a little bit shorter, just so it's a little bit different. And lightly put in a center for some detail. And then we're going to go ahead and come about right here. Let's see here, come here, and then we're just going to draw this little mound of either dirt or moss, whatever you want it to be. You just want to give our tulips here a bottom. And so we're going to put that, and then with this mound, now this too high, that's about the same level. I'm going to come out about right here and draw my pot. So I'm going to put in this straight line right across about there, and then hopefully it's straight. Okay, there. And then we're going to create our pot. So I'm just going to make a really draw simple pot. So just bring it down. Spring is almost here, so I'm definitely inspired to draw all these very spring things. And so I'm going to curve it in, and then at the bottom right here, just go ahead and draw another straight line to finish it off. There. Okay, and so now that we have that, I'm just going to come right about here, just for some detail, and lightly draw in a straight line for my pot. And then now, looking at my camera, it's a little high on this side, so I'm going to bring it down. And then from there, let's bring our pot to life. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. Then I'm going to come across about here and draw another circle. There. And then let's make them draw so cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights. and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So then from there, let's go ahead and draw a curve over each eye. And of course, a sweet smile right in between and cap it off. There. And let's see. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's bring these flowers to life. So if you want to do that, just come about right here. Just draw some simple eyes and 2 happy curves. And then a smile. Aww. Soft curve over each eye. And then maybe this one we could just put in a dot for eye, just to simplify it. But like I said, this is all up to you. And just remember it's at an angle. You know what? Let's just shade it all in. It's so small. And of course, another sweet smile right in between. There. And let's see, maybe we need to add some hearts, right? So maybe we could just make some small hearts right here on our pot to decorate it. One. Just one. And I'm tempted to make more. Let's see. Let's put in 3. And one more here. There, and then maybe a little circle in between to decorate the pot. And that is pretty much it for this drawing of these cute tulips to celebrate spring. And I really hope it brought a smile to your day and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.